Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr.Bookman here, and I will be reading The Crankypants Tea Party by Barba, Bottner, Barba. Please enjoy.
Yeah, it happens. That's why vision works takes 100 days to change your mind. It's simple. Anything else I can help you with?
Like what?
Vision works. See the difference.
Like your workplace benefits?
The Crankypants Tea Party.
Well planned, well invested, well protected.
Clarissa, what a beautiful day. It's perfect for a tea party. All stuffed animals. No, thank you. Clarissa, but I insist on setting a table, and you're all invited. Elephant, I'm not interested. Last time, the ice cream melted on my head. Oh, but she washed me off. Monkey, elephant likes to be clean. Elephant, but the washcloth was too rough, and she got soap in my eye. Puff, elephant, a big baby. Pig, at last, Clarissa plays with him. Clarissa, let's get started. Who's going to bring the chairs? Rabbit, not me. Nah, you left me outside. I'm still damp. Pig, I'm losing my stuffing because of you. Clarissa, but I pinned you back together. Now who wants to fold the napkins? Monkey, you tied knots in my shoelace and I fell down twice. Bear, I don't want tea. You forgot about me all week.
We don't mind renovation projects, depending on how severe it is.
Why don't you guys go inside and check it out? Okay.
Pig, you made me go to bed. Monkey, when he wasn't even tired. Rabbit, and you made me wear a hat. Look at my ear.
Like half the floor is
Clarissa, I thought the hat looked adorable, and I'll sew your ear after the tea party. Bear, oh, Queen Clarissa says after the tea party. Of course.
I like all the trees and stuff.
There's like a patio.
Yeah.
Probably a hot tub or something.
Oh, that probably is. But
Clarissa,
the amount of work that they
poor darling, you're all big bunch of Crankypants.
Ready to go.
much more finish the best. Stephanie and Jordan told me they really want something that's turnkey, and that's why I decided to show them.
Monkey, she doesn't understand a thing. I'm getting wet. Oh, let's ignore her. Maybe then she'll learn to appreciate us.
Yeah, this is cute. I like that the outside is kind of mixed.
Clarissa, but I don't have a tea. I can't have a tea party without you.
What do you think about the clouds on the outside so far? I like that it has a roof trees here, and it looks like the neighborhood's more established. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms.
Oh, poor
100 square feet.
Clarissa. Monkey, I say, who needs Queen Clarissa anyway. Rabbit, you're her dumb, or her dumb tea party. Pig, I don't. Bear, me neither. I don't even miss her. All except Pup. Nope. Pup. Hey, it's really dark. I wish Clarissa were here. Pig and Elephant. Since when does Pup have it to say? Rabbit, what's your favorite? Bear, I thought I was your favorite.
I love that it has real solid hardwood floors.
Clarissa, you're all my favorites. Clarissa, let me explain. Elephant loves ice cream, so I shared mine and it melted, so I had to clean him up. I left Rabbit outside because he said he enjoyed the breeze. I only tied knots in Monkey's shoes to keep him from losing them. I didn't forget Bear. I was saving him for his birthday next week. And Pig got Tom because he plays too rough. Then I was falling asleep on the rug, so I put him to bed. Oh, except Pup. She always has excuses. Pup, wait. Did you forget? She served milk at 4 and soup du jour. Monkey, quite yummy. Clarissa, and I sing you songs and lullabies. Rabbit, Clarissa does give the best cuddles. Elephant, but then she wants to kiss us. Rabbit, kisses. Pig and Bear, kisses. Clarissa, I thought you loved kisses. Monkey, not every day. Pup, I do love a good night kiss. Bear, me too. Elephant, Rabbit, Pig, me too. Clarissa, well, then it's settled. We're having a tea party. Pup, I'm helping. Elephant, no, I am. Bear, I'll set the table. Monkey, that's my job. I always set the table. Bear, then I can fold the napkins. Rabbit, but I'm the nicest. I'll fold the napkins. Bear can arrange the chairs. Bear, arranging the chairs is too boring. Elephant, I like arranging the chairs. Pup, then what will I do? Monkey, I can open the tablecloth. Bear, excuse me, I got to open up tablecloth. Pup, then I'll cut the cake. Oh, Pup, you always get to cut the cake. Clarissa, no more complaining. Crankypants. Tea party manners, please. Pig, I already have good manners. Rabbit, I have good manners. Monkey, no you don't. Pass the sugar. Pup, you mean please pass the sugar. Monkey, yes please. Bear, I love a good tea party. Pup, thank you, Clarissa. Aw, thank you, Clarissa. Looks like they all became friends after being mean and everything to her. Well, everybody, has that ever happened to you and your friends, that you got into a fight and you all made up, let me know with a thumbs up if that has happened to you. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman, and this book reading's over. Have a good one, everybody, and take care.
Understand that for over 25